Hey, what's up, nigga, man? This is your boy, Forex Strategy Factory, man. Everything we talk about is how you're gonna make your own money online. Many of you just sitting down there on Facebook, sitting on Facebook, playing, dancing, clapping, looking, you know, but you don't know you can make money on Facebook. But we here to tell you, Facebook is not a joke, bro. Don't joke with that Facebook, bro. Yeah, you might be on that Facebook wasting your own time because that Facebook is gonna waste your time if you don't know what you're doing there. But I tell you, whatever you're doing on that Facebook is gonna generate you money, man. You understand? How to make money on Facebook is what I'm telling you. You understand? You're there looking, just looking, feeling like you are okay, sitting on the fence in your own comfort zone, man. You think where you are now is your comfort zone. You're singing a song of success in the desert. Oh, bro, don't let time pass you by, man. You understand? You want to be able to make money on Facebook, communicating with people, doing what you're doing, posting your picture, and posting your link, your website. That is a money link website. Let people go join you. Let them go give you money, man. You know what I'm saying? That is how Facebook pays, man. You understand? We tell you, years ago, looking for opportunities on opportunities, all you see is nonsense, scam, 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 all over, everywhere you see scam. Those things didn't make us to give up. So skeptical. But man, once you believe that, man, it's not everything is fake. That's real, man. There's real things. When you get your hand on that real thing that's gonna pay you, grab it, stick with it, man. Stick with it, man. You understand? You'll be surprised, you'll be amazed when the money starts flowing in. You know what? I'm not gonna talk too much now, man, but I'm gonna put one link under this video. Click it, watch the video, intro video. If you like what you see, join me, man, and start making money. But you know what? If you are skeptical, watch me, man. You will see me posting result of me and result of my friends on this page. When you see result, you'll be amazed. Don't let time pass you by, bro. You are one shot of life to live a good life, to decide what you want in your life. Okay, not everything is fake. Out of 10 opportunities given to me, 9 were fake. Only 1 is real, but I found out that one. That's what I'm sharing with you. Okay, you know what? Let me give you one thing before I go. Thou shalt know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. Before you will ever know the truth, you will pass through a lot of lies. But when you know the truth, grab it strong and move on with it. Okay? Bye bye. Thank you.